Choosing the right payment processor is crucial for any business, whether it is a small startup or a large enterprise. Payment processors handle transactions, manage payments, and provide tools that streamline the sales process. Among the top contenders in this space are Helcim and Square, both offering robust solutions but catering to different business needs. This guide will compare Helcim and Square, focusing on their pricing, supported payment types, features, and user experiences to help you decide which is best for your business. When it comes to pricing and contract terms, Square takes the lead. Square offers fixed-rate pricing, which is straightforward and easy to understand. This simplicity can be beneficial for small businesses and startups that need predictable costs. Square's card-present processing fee is 2.6% plus 10 cents per transaction, while keyed-in transactions are charged at 3.5% plus 15 cents. For online payments, the fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents. Helcim, on the other hand, uses interchange plus pricing, which can be more cost-effective for high-volume businesses. Helcim's fees range from interchange plus 0.1% plus 5 cents to 0.3% plus 8 cents for card-present transactions. Online and keyed-in transactions cost between interchange plus 0.2% plus 10 cents to 0.5% plus 25 cents. Although Helcim's rates can be lower, they are less predictable due to the interchange plus model. Additionally, Helcim offers automatic volume discounts, which can further reduce costs as your business grows. In terms of the variety of supported payment types, Helcim outshines Square. Helcim supports a comprehensive range of payment options, including ACH payments, card-on-file transactions, virtual terminals, invoicing, recurring payments, payment links, hosted checkout, and tap-to-pay for iPhone. It also caters to B2B transactions and can handle international payments, making it a versatile choice for larger businesses and those with a global reach. Square also supports a wide array of payment methods, such as ACH payments, card-on-file transactions, virtual terminals, invoicing, recurring payments, payment links, hosted checkout, buy buttons, and tap-to-pay for iPhone. It even offers buy now, pay later options through Afterpay, which can be an attractive feature for retail businesses. However, Square's international reach is more limited compared to Helcim, and it does not handle cross-border payments. This makes Helcim a better choice for businesses that operate internationally or need to accept various payment types. Square excels in its range of features, particularly its point-of-sale system. Square's POS is renowned for its ease of use and robust functionality, making it a favorite among small businesses. It offers free plans with essential tools for inventory management, sales tracking, and customer relationship management. Additionally, Square provides specialized advanced POS plans for different business types, such as retail, restaurants, and appointment-based services. These plans can integrate with delivery apps, kitchen display systems, and more, providing a seamless experience for business operations. Square also offers various hardware options, from free magstripe readers to more advanced countertop systems. The mobile app is highly rated, providing a smooth user experience across devices. Furthermore, Square includes advanced add-on features such as loyalty programs, team management, marketing tools, and payroll services, making it a comprehensive solution for small businesses. Helcim, while offering a solid POS system, is more basic compared to Square. Helcim's POS includes fundamental features like inventory management, sales tracking, and employee management, but lacks the specialized tools and integrations that Square provides. Helcim's hardware is also more expensive, and its mobile app has received lower customer ratings. However, Helcim does offer strong fraud protection and dispute management tools, which are valuable for businesses with high-volume transactions. Both Helcim and Square scored well in expert evaluations, tying in their overall performance. They both excel in different areas, making them suitable for distinct business needs. Helcim is praised for its pricing transparency, lack of monthly fees, and ease of use. It also has fewer complaints regarding held funds, likely due to its strict approval process, which ensures businesses are thoroughly vetted before being approved. Square, on the other hand, is highly regarded for its ease of use, extensive integrations, and robust POS system. It has a higher number of users and receives positive feedback for its flexibility and comprehensive feature set. However, Square does have more complaints about held funds and issues during the early months of use, primarily because it does not vet new customers as rigorously as Helcim. Helcim is best suited for mid-sized to large businesses with high volume or B2B sales. Its interchange plus pricing model and automatic volume discounts make it an economical choice for businesses with substantial transaction volumes. Additionally, Helcim's support for international payments and B2B transactions makes it ideal for companies operating on a global scale or those engaged in business-to-business sales. However, Helcim is not recommended for high-risk merchants or startups due to its strict approval process and the lack of same-day funding options. Square is an excellent choice for startups and small businesses that need an all-in-one solution. Its fixed-rate pricing is straightforward and predictable, which can be beneficial for new businesses managing tight budgets. Square's advanced POS system and extensive integrations offer a comprehensive toolkit for various business operations, from inventory management to customer engagement. Square also provides additional business tools like loans, savings and checking accounts, product photography, and business events, making it a versatile choice for small businesses looking to grow and expand. Choosing between Helcim and Square depends largely on your business needs and priorities. Helcim is ideal for larger businesses with high transaction volumes or those operating internationally, thanks to its competitive pricing and extensive payment options. Square, on the other hand, is perfect for small businesses and startups needing a versatile, user-friendly POS system with a wide range of additional tools and integrations. Both Helcim and Square offer strong payment processing solutions, and either can be a valuable asset to your business. Consider your specific requirements, such as transaction volume, business size, and the need for specialized features to determine which payment processor is the best fit for you. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.